Imagine walking into the gym, but instead of the usual workout routine, it's 5 minutes. Let's start with lunges, the supermodel of leg exercises. A daily habit, lunges strut with grace and strength, toning your lower body one step at a time. Each lunge is a step forward on your fitness journey, a journey that starts with just a few lunges and builds up to 25. Just picture it, 25 steps forward, each one sculpting your leg muscles, like an architect chiseling a masterpiece from marble. Remember, we also have easier 5-minute health habits. Please subscribe. Lunges improve your balance and stability. Think of lunges as your personal trainer, guiding you towards better posture and coordination. They're like a ballet dancer teaching you to pirouette, only you're in the gym and not on stage, unless you consider life your stage, which in that case, bravo. Lunges target your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, the trifecta of your lower body. They're like the three musketeers, fighting for a stronger, healthier you. And the best part? They're all for one and one for all, working together to give you the best results. So you might be wondering, how do I get started lunge journey? Well, just like any journey, it begins with a single step. Start with a few lunges, feel your muscles engage, and gradually increase your reps. Before you know it, you'll be doing 25 lunges with the ease of a supermodel walking the runway. But remember, it's not about how many lunges you can do, but how well you do them. Quality over quantity, my friend. So focus on your form, engage your muscles, and let each lunge be a step forward on your fitness journey. So put on your imaginary high heels and strut your stuff, because your lunge is about to turn your legs into a masterpiece. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please share to help others. Ever wondered what it feels like to be Batman? Well, squats might just be your answer. This simple yet powerful exercise is the undercover superhero of your workout routine, silently working in the shadows to fortify your lower body. Like a diligent superhero, squats target the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. These are the muscles that carry us through the day, propelling us upstairs, helping us bend to pick up that pen we dropped, and even making sitting and standing a breeze. And just like Batman, squats are versatile, enhancing not only strength but also flexibility. Imagine your body is a city, and squats are its silent protector. With each squat, you're fortifying the city's structures, making them robust and resilient. And the more you squat, the stronger your city becomes. Now let's talk about starting your squatting journey. As with any exercise, it's crucial to start slow and gradually increase your repetitions. You don't need to be a superhero on day one. Begin with a few squats, just enough to feel that familiar burn in your legs. This sensation is your body's way of saying, hey, we're working on something great here. Once you're comfortable with a few squats, try adding a few more. Aim to gradually build up to a solid 25. Yes, you heard right, 25 squats. It may sound like a lot now, but remember, even Batman had to start somewhere. And with each squat, you're becoming stronger, more flexible, and yes, more superhero-like. Here's a fun thought to keep you motivated. Picture yourself squatting to save the world. Each dip is a villain vanquished, each rise a city saved. And the best part? You're doing all this in your workout gear, no fancy bat suit required. As you progress on your squatting journey, you'll start to notice changes. Your legs will feel stronger, your movements more fluid. And just like Batman, you'll be ready to take on whatever challenges come your way, be it a flight of stairs or a jar that just won't open. Now remember, while squats are superheroes, they're not miracle workers. They're part of a balanced fitness routine, along with other exercises and a healthy diet. But they're a great place to start or a fantastic addition to your existing routine. So get ready to squat like you're saving the world, because with each dip, you're becoming more adaptable than a yoga instructor in a pretzel factory. And remember, each squat is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. So let's get squatting. Welcome to the press-up expedition, where your arms are the VIPs and your abs have a front row seat to the show. Picture this. You're about to embark on a journey of strength and endurance, a voyage that will take your upper body to the peak of its potential. You're standing at the base of Mount Fitness, and your destination? The summit of strength. This, my friends, is the press-up expedition. Now, press-ups are the commandants of upper body strength. They're like the architects of your arm muscles, diligently crafting a fortress of strength with each rep. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, ensuring these muscles work in harmony to raise and lower your body. Imagine your arms are a pair of selfie sticks, sturdy and reliable, always ready to capture the perfect moment. And let's not forget the core. Oh, the core. Press-ups are like a rock concert for your abs. As you lower and lift your body, your core muscles engage to keep everything stable. It's like giving your abs a front row seat to a rock concert where the headliners are strength and stability. But how do you embark on this press-up expedition? You start by smoothly lowering your body until your nose lightly grazes the ground. Then there is this easier version to start with, knees on the ground. It's all about control and precision, keeping your back straight as a pencil. And remember, fitness is not a race, it's a journey. So start with a few press-ups. Yes, just a few. Then, as your strength builds, gradually increase the number. Aim for 25, but don't worry if you can't do that many yet. Even superheroes had to start somewhere. Now, let's add a dash of humor to this workout. Picture this, you're not just doing press-ups. No, you're pressing up the world, like a modern-day atlas. Or maybe you're a superhero, pushing the Earth away from an incoming asteroid. Or perhaps you're a magician, levitating off the ground with the sheer power of your arms. Whatever image works for you, use it to power through those reps and make your workout fun. So, are you ready to embark on the press-up expedition? Are you prepared to sculpt your upper body into a fortress of strength? Are you set to give your abs a front row seat to the rock concert of fitness? If the answer is yes, then it's time to press up, my friends. So get ready to press up like you're the star of the fitness party, and before you know it, you'll be the main attraction in the circus of health and fitness. Now that you've been introduced to the supermodels, superheroes, and VIPs of the exercise world, it's time for you to join the party. Embarking on a fitness journey might seem like climbing a mountain, but remember, even mountains are conquered one step at a time. These 3 exercises are your stepping stones: lunges, squats, press-ups. They're not just movements, they're an investment in your health, a commitment to your well-being. You don't need to spend hours sweating in a gym. All you need is 5 to 7 minutes a day. That's less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee or decide what to wear. But in those few minutes, you're doing something incredible. You're building strength, improving flexibility, and boosting your overall health. Think about it. 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes to sculpt your body, to feel stronger, to be healthier. You can do it before your morning shower or in the evening before supper. You can even squeeze it in during a TV commercial break, and remember to check out our other 5-minute health habits. But don't just take my word for it. Try it. Start today. Do a few lunges, a couple of squats, some press-ups, and then do it again tomorrow and the day after. Keep going. Gradually increase the reps. You'll be surprised how quickly your body adapts, how soon you start to see and feel the difference. And while you're at it, make it fun. Lunge like you're strutting on a catwalk, squat like you're a superhero, press up like your arms are the VIPs at a fitness party. Remember, humor is the best workout buddy. It keeps you motivated, makes the journey enjoyable. Share your progress with us. Let us know how you're doing, how these exercises are transforming not just your body, but your life, and share to inspire someone else to start their journey. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and share to help others. Remember, the road to fitness is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Start your journey today and become the master of your health and fitness circus.